guys, Ivan and Susan here again from Vloggers on the Loose. 8,630 people in the suburb. We are 22 kilometres north of the Perth CBD, and it's quite a big area, built over 6 square kilometres. We're in a suburb called Padbury, and playing Australian rules football over there, guys. Quite a few people over there. You can hear all the noise over there from the players shouting, "Gee, you're useless, kick the bloody goal." and that player who abused his teammate, he never really will probably get banned for life. This is Australia. Okay. The AFL rules. Don't forget that, guys. Don't forget the AFL rules the country. Ban you for anything these days. Okay, we're in Padbury. And here's a kindergarten over here. Check this out. Not a bad little kindergarten. A lot of trees over there, a lot of shaded areas for the kids. It's very homely. So that was a park over there where we showed you, and there's another park here with because that's a school, Padbury Primary School over there, and their playing grounds over there looks very neat, very tidy, well maintained. So Padbury is a northern suburb of Perth, located within the local government area of the city of Joondalup. Suburb was named in 1971, so pretty old suburb, guys. It was named after the notable West Australian settler Walter Padbury. A street in Padbury called Walter Padbury Boulevard is also named after Walter Padbury. So there you go. Do you live on Walter Padbury Boulevard? What's it like? Look at that red house over there, guys. Red brick house. That's a new house over there, built right on the hill. Very steep block. Here's one of the original old houses right here in front of us, with a chocolate coloured brick and a nice lemon tree in front there, full of lemons. It's an awkward block. Have a look at that. Have a look at the pathway going up to it, up to the house. So we've got cars doing all sorts of things over here today. We've got them turning, we've got them throwing U-turns, we've got them doing everything. You're going to have eyes in the back of your head. And this is their retaining wall here. Have a look at this. This one goes right to the next house also. So it's a very awkward couple of blocks. Hopefully they only picked it up for $5,000 each in their day, because they have pretty awkward blocks to build on. So guys, the southeast corner of the suburb also goes by the name of Hepburn Heights. Have you guys making it sound a bit posh, probably? Hepburn Heights, just to confuse you newcomers to Perth. So, but I guess they do just call it Padbury, the whole suburb. But if anyone lives in Hepburn Heights, let us know why they call that part. I know it used to be, they used to have open little pockets of suburbs and give it different names here in Perth years ago. I don't think they do that anymore. It's just called one estate now. and that's it. Here's an extension going on over here, guys, on my left. Looks like they, yeah, it's quite a big extension. They've gutted the whole house by the looks of it. Oh, the people still living in there. There's another part of that extension. Oh, that's going to be the garage here in front. That first extension, it's got a side entry there to the garage. And then you've got another extension on the side. So quite a big extension going on there. And there's a... Okay, so here's a house for sale, yeah, and it's the most expensive house listed at the moment, yeah, in Padbury. That's it there, guys. It's number 10 Lindsay Way in Padbury. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-car garage, because you can only see a single one there, but there is a double brick garage built at the back of that single one. That's it there, guys. You're not going to believe, it's a big block, by the way, 990 square metre block over there, and they're asking from 1.2 million Australian dollars, and it's opposite this beautiful house here. Look at that. It's very neat inside that house that we just showed you there, the one for sale, but it is extremely dated, so it would need a full gut job in there. Have a look at this house. Yeah, it's probably a home plaster job on that, because it looks very, very rough, or it's intentionally done that way. Don't know. Maybe it was intentionally done that way to give it that rough look. You can see, guys, there's a lot of renovations going on here in the suburb. There's another big reno going on here, big extension going on here. These suburbs are being extensively renovated through these areas over here. That's actually a new house being built there, and you got people there with their dog, not on a leash, and jump into attention when the dog starts chasing after me. My dog doesn't bite. That's what I get all the time. Yeah, right. So what do you guys think of Padbury so far? Bit run down so far for me. But, like I said, there's a lot of renovation work going on here, and new builds and all sorts of things. All above ground power here, guys. As you can see there. Old suburb, 1971. Look at this house here. Interesting. Looks like a kit home. It's probably a kit home. It's new. Yeah, I wouldn't like to be... Look at that power point there, that power line there with a big box, transmitter box probably, on it. I wouldn't like to be living in that house with that thing there. Some of those things have exploded and caused fires. Look at this house here. Look at the cactus coming through the roof. It's not really coming through the roof. There's a courtyard type thing there. So what we'll do now, look at this garden here on my left. It's not a garden. Beautiful, though. Guys, I got to say, everything's beautiful to keep politically correct these days. We have a couple of crybabies on our channel. Nah, not really. They're entitled to their opinion. Okay, we're going to take you guys to a different part of Padbury now, and we'll see you there shortly. Okay, guys, so this here is the shopping centre over here in Padbury, and there's actually three little shopping centres in here, but we thought we'd take you here because this one's got the main tenant in there, the IGA. and a lot of there's a liquor shop over there, Liquorland, which is actually part of Coles. And there's a few restaurants there, Chinese restaurant, there's a Jester's Pies over there, Chicken Treat, etc. Quite a few things in there. Not a massive shopping centre, but it's okay. So like I said, there's 3 shopping centres in the suburb. So we'll just take a bit of a walk. See, that Chicken Treat smells good. The chickens are pretty good at Chicken Treat. Guys, there's 18 parks in Padbury, with McDonald Park being the largest park in the suburb. That's where we were before. Here's a new build going up here. Have a look at this. They've obviously demolished an old house and left the shed over there, or that shed's brand new and they've put it in. I don't think it was there before though. I think it was there before. It looks like a bit of weeds and stuff growing around it. So I think it was there before. Going to build a brand new house there, guys. Like I said, there's a lot of construction and a lot of renovation work going on over here in the suburb of Padbury. It's getting a bit warm now. It's still 20 degrees, but that wind has died down a bit. And there's the school across the road there. We're just juggling cars again here on this main road. There's actually 4 primary schools in Padbury. So quite a few schools. This is one of them here. And they seem to be energy conscious there. They've got their roof plastered in the solar panels there, which is good. So we're just walking down this little laneway here, guys. Taking you to one of the houses that's for sale over here. This fence is very crooked over here on my left. It's, looks like it's going to fall down. It's not asbestos, it's what they call Super 6. Kids in the school grounds there, they shouldn't be in there, they're up to mischief. These kids don't know where their parents are. Parents don't care. Because come Monday you'll find a smashed window, a bit of graffiti around the place. My child never did that. That's what we'll get. Here's more happening over here, guys. Another they're redoing their backyard over here. Have a look at that. They've obviously ripped the whole lot up and redoing it all. It's a decent sized block. I don't know if I like that cladding on there. What do you guys think? Leave some comments for us. It's just no, not my style. Like I said, guys, all above ground power over here. Have a look at this lawn here on my right. It's immaculate. That's all real lawn. And again here on my left, this house here, immaculate lawn. They look like they're also doing a bit of a renovation job here. They've plastered half of the front of the house so far. They're working their way down. That should come up nice when it's all done. It's actually 2 houses there, I think. 2 letterboxes. Okay, we're coming up to the cheapest house here, guys, and here it is here. Listed in Padbury. It's only a 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 car garage. You can hardly see the house because all that bush is in the way there. Number 14 Farrell Way in Padbury. It's on a decent sized block for today's standards. 683 square metre block there, guys. Very dated inside, I've put here on my notes, and they are asking from 800,000 Australian dollars for that house. Wow. They probably, it wouldn't surprise me if the house and land, because that looks like one of the houses, the original houses that came through here from the 70s, and it wouldn't surprise me all up if they paid about 25,000 bucks for that house and land. So just making someone who's going to spend from 800,000. Just saying, guys, just saying. That's how house prices go up over here in Australia. Quite good. There's good money in real estate. Okay, we're going to take you guys to a different part of Padbury now. We'll see you there shortly. Okay, we're in another part of Padbury over here, and Padbury has a cemetery. That's it over there, guys, behind that fence. We might just cross the road here and have a look if we can see. I'll show you a better view. We won't be able to see anything much, but the cemetery is in there somewhere. It's called Pinaroo Cemetery, quite a big cemetery here in the northern suburbs of Perth. So there's 2 doctors. There's only 2 doctors' surgeries in the suburb for such a big suburb. Only 2 doctors' clinics, and the closest major hospital is the Joondalup Health Campus. And a couple of barking dogs. At least they got it all fenced up over there, which is good. And the closest train station, guys, is the Whitfords train station, which is on the Yankship line. And there is a bus service from this suburb to the train and back again. There you go. Guys, unfortunately, I haven't written down the median house price and unit price and land price. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that on the screen for you guys. Sorry about that. I usually do that on the last minute. Usually do that on the last minute because things move a lot in the state at the moment with house pricing. So I haven't written that down. So we'll put that on the screen for you guys, and we'll have to wrap it up, I suppose. I'm going to wrap it up across the road here. Silly of me not to put that down. Old age, guys. Let's put it down to old age, forgetfulness. There you go. I'm going to wrap it up over here somewhere. We'll wrap it up over here. Thanks for watching the video on Padbury, guys. Sorry about not having the median house price and that for you. We will put it on the screen for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll probably lose some subscribers now for not doing that. Nah, you shouldn't be that bad, should you guys? No, you shouldn't. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.